All right, it's official. I have had it with F&W. I don't care if these pumps are great. They last forever. They don't have any problems. Hoopla, hoopla. But I can guarantee you one thing. If anything happens, whether it's a defective air volume control, the power goes out, the pump loses prime, it cannot handle it. Look at this 90, okay? See that 90 right there? Look how swollen it is. This pump ran hot. I just rebuilt this pump just a couple weeks ago. Okay? I had to put a new check valve on the well. The check valve was bad. I changed the pressure switch because the tank was waterlogged. The tank's still good, luckily, fiberglass. It had a bad air volume control. Put all this, fixed everything. Got it all squared away again. Ran beautiful. Replaced the impeller and diffuser because the other one had a little bit of wear on it. And I said, oh, well, this will cause it to run hot again. Replace that. Brand new impeller and diffuser. And what do you know? I don't know if you can see the wear in this thing. There you go. Look at the inside of that. I kind of felt that this impeller didn't feel right when I bought it brand new, and it didn't really go together good. But I figured, oh, that little bit of wear together. But you know what? It doesn't matter anymore. Look at the, it's almost completely broken off. oh look, it came off. This is garbage. These pumps are utter trash. I would rather buy a Chinese pump.